What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a very simple step-by-step method that you can follow and start making some sales on ClickBank, guys. So all you have to do is follow this method step by step and take action on the method. I'm going to show you guys so you can start making some extra money on ClickBank, guys. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online, ClickBank methods, and online any methods. And you want to learn how to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So that's it, guys. Let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can do this step by step. Okay, guys, so with this method we're going to be promoting one particular affiliate product with this method that's converting very well. So we're going to go to affiliate marketplace and we type overnight millionaire. So this is the product we're going to be promoting, guys. So I've made some sales with this product as well, and this product is converting very well. So this is the product we're going to be promoting for this example, the overnight millionaire system by Wesley Virgin, guys. So this is a product that is converting very well, and if you promote this product well, you can make a lot of money, guys. So I've been making some money, guys. So this is just from that one product, so I'm making some sales from it, guys. You can see $331 from promoting only this product alone, guys. So I've been promoting this product, the overnight millionaire system, and I'm making sales with it. And I know that, guys, if you promote this product, and you can also make a lot of sales with it, guys. And so far, guys, I have not had any refund from this product, guys. So this is a product that gives real value, and I've also bought the product, guys. So I'm going to be making a review about this product anytime soon because I bought the product and it's a really helpful product. And if you promote this product, the people that are going to buy this product, they're going to find a lot of value in it. And also, guys, you're going to have a very low refund rate if you are going to be promoting this product, guys. So what you're going to do from here, guys, is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace and you're going to choose this product. If you want to promote this product, then you can start promoting it with these two methods that I'm going to be showing you guys. And also, guys, if you go to the affiliate page, you're going to discover that a lot of other affiliates are also promoting this particular product and they're making a lot of money from this product, guys. So let me just click on this. Let's go to the affiliate page and we go down, guys. You're going to discover that these are affiliates that are making a lot of money from promoting this product, and you can make a lot of money from this one product alone, guys. So this is a good product you can go and promote, and you can make a lot of money also from the upsells, guys. So I'm making a lot of money from the upsells because many people buy and they buy the upsells because the product is valuable, guys. So all you have to do from here, guys, I'm going to show you guys the methods that you can use to promote this product effectively and make some sales. So the first method, guys, is Instagram. So Instagram is one of the best ways that you can go and promote this particular product. Is converting very well on Instagram. So I promote this on my Instagram page as well. So this is my Instagram page. I've been growing for about 3 months right now, guys, and he has up to 12,000 followers, guys. So you can go and create an account like this on Instagram and you can start promoting this product on Instagram and you can start making a lot of sales, guys. So what you want to do, guys, that if you don't have an Instagram account like this, all you have to do is go and buy Instagram shoutouts, guys. So to buy Instagram shoutouts for very cheap, guys, all you have to do is go to Fiverr. If you go to Fiverr and type, for example, Instagram promotion, just say Instagram promotion or Instagram shoutout, you're going to find a lot of gigs that people are going to be willing to promote your product on their Instagram pages, guys. So you can see this one, this person has 365,000 fashion Instagram page. So you're going to be looking for a page that is in the spirituality niche, guys. So you can see this one, for example, is going to give you a shout out on their page for $10 and the page has 17,000 followers. All you can do, guys, is you can go to Fiverr and you're going to find this type of pages. And what you want to do next, guys, is that if you find a page that you want to promote your products on, you have to go and verify if that page has real followers or fake followers, guys. And there's a lot of opportunity, guys. So you can see, for example, this one has an Instagram page of 195,000 followers, guys, and it's charging only $15 for you to do a shout out on their Instagram page, guys. So you can go and promote this particular product in the spirituality niche page, or you can also promote other products like dog training products on this type of pages, guys. And what you want to do, guys, to verify that these Instagram pages have real followers, guys, is that you can just copy the URL of the page. So this is my page, for example. You can just copy the URL of the page and you can go to this website, socialblade.com, and you're going to select Instagram. So you're going to select Instagram from here. You're going to insert the username of the page and you can search and get more statistics about this Instagram page. So you can see my page. And what I want to do, guys, to verify that this doesn't have fake Instagram followers is that you can see that the group of the followers has been consistent, guys. So you don't want to see, for example, have 2,000 followers right now, and after they just move to 20,000 followers in 1 month, guys. So you want to make sure that the Instagram following is consistent. For example, you can see my page is going consistently and is going up to 3,000 followers per month. So you see a page that has, for example, 2,000 followers the next month and it has 20,000 followers in the next month, you know that that Instagram page is buying followers, and you should not go and promote your products on that type of page, because you're not going to get a lot of traffic and you are not going to make a lot of sales promoting those products on those Instagram pages. And also, guys, you want to make sure that it has engagement in the pages. So for example, you can see my pages, they have engagement in the post, guys. So there are a lot of big Instagram pages that have 100,000 plus followers, but they just have only a few likes on their pages. So I've seen a lot of pages like that have only, for example, 100 likes on a post on a page that has, for example, 100,000 followers. You're going to know that this type of pages are using fake followers. They're buying followers, and they want you to buy this Instagram shoutouts, so they're going to make money and you're going to lose your money promoting your products on this type of pages, guys. So you want to check the engagement and you want to check that the followers are legit, and you're going to get sales when you promote this type of products on those pages, guys. So I also show you guys in one of my videos on how to go and find these influencers, and the website that you can go and do this, guys, is also called shoutcard.com. So go to Shoutcard. As I show you guys in one of my videos, you can go and find a lot of influencers on this platform for free that you can go and pay them for a promotion, and they're going to promote your affiliate offer on their Instagram pages. So this one of the product is converting very well for me on Instagram, and you can also go and promote this particular product on Instagram, guys. So that's the first method, guys. So if you want to promote this method too, one of the second method you can go and do, guys, is that you can go and write simple articles. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this very easily. So what I have to do is go to Esign Articles. I'm going to show you guys the website that you can go and post these articles and link them back to your affiliate offer. So I'm going to write, for example, Esign Articles. So you go to Esign Articles, it's a website that you can go and get free articles, and you can just link them back to your affiliate offer. I'm going to show you guys the website that you can go and post these articles and link them back to your affiliate offer, so that you can get a lot of traffic back to your affiliate offer. So if you type, for example, so let's say, for example, become a millionaire, you're going to find a lot of results. So simple truth that can help you become a millionaire. So these are the type of articles that you can go and post on this website I'm going to be showing you guys, and you can link them back to this particular affiliate offer. So you can put self-help type of articles on this website, and you're going to link them back to your affiliate offer. So let's open one, for example. Let me just show you guys one example. So 5 steps to become a millionaire. Let's open this article, and this entire article already done for us, guys. So all you have to do is you can copy this entire article, and you're going to go to this website I'm going to be showing you guys. So all you have to do is copy the title. So you can copy the title of this article. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go to this website and you can post free articles on this website. So all you're going to do, guys, you're going to copy this article and you're going to paste on the other website. So the name of the website is called livejournal.com. So if you watch some of my videos, I show guys how you can go and post articles on this website, and you can link it back to your affiliate offer. You can get a lot of traffic, guys. So if you want to check livejournal.com, you can copy the URL and go to SimilarWeb, and you're going to see the amount of traffic that this website is getting every month. That you can go and start getting some part of this traffic and start promoting your products on this website and linking it back to your affiliate offer. So you can see livejournal.com is a website that's getting up to 104 million visitors every month, guys, and you can go and publish these free articles on this website, and you can link them back to your affiliate offer. So let's go back to our articles. So all you have to do is go to these articles, find these articles, you can copy the title. You're going to go back to livejournal.com. It's completely free for you to sign up for a free account. So all you have to do is sign up for a free account, and once you sign up for a free account and verify your email address, all you have to do is click on this, click on post entry, and you can write an article on this website and link it back to your affiliate offer. So all you have to do is paste the title. I can go back and copy the entire article. So this is the entire article, and we're just going to copy this and go back to LiveJournal. We're going to paste this as our contents, guys. So you can see the entire article has already been pasted, and all we have to do now is that we're going to add our links back to our affiliate offer. So you can see these are the article. So we're going to remove some of these links. So we're going to select this one, and we're going to remove the link, guys, and we're going to replace it with our own affiliate link. So what we have to do from here, guys, is we're going to go back to ClickBank, and you can get your affiliate link. So you can just click on promote. We're going to get our affiliate link. going to copy. So you can shorten your affiliate link, or you can just paste on this website, or you can link it back to a landing page so that your post don't get removed from this website. So I'm just going to go back to our article, and for this example, guys, I'm just going to replace this. I'm just going to paste my affiliate link. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to paste my affiliate link and click on enter. And that's it, guys. Our link has already been pasted inside this article. So if I click on this, you're going to see our own affiliate link. So what you can do, guys, you can paste your affiliate link to this program multiple times in the article, guys. So you can just select all of these, just select this, for example. You can just select this, and you're going to get this option to add a link. You're going to paste your affiliate link, click on enter, and that's it, guys. Your link has been added inside. And also at the end, guys, you want to leave a call to action back to your affiliate offer. So you can just delete some of this. So you can just delete this part, and you're just going to use this one as a call to action. So you can just select all this. We're going to input our affiliate link. You're going to click on enter. You can also increase the size of this. So you can increase the size of this. And that is, guys, our article has already been posted on this website, and all we have to do from here is click on publish, and we can start getting some free traffic back to our affiliate offer. And also what we want to do from here, guys, we want to choose on visible to all. So you can see visible to all, only friends. We want to click on visible to all, so that anyone that visits this website can find your article. And these articles can also be indexed in Google, and you can also going to get some free traffic from Google. So all you have to do from here is click on tune in and publish. You're going to click on this. You're going to click on publish, and your article is going to be published on this website with your affiliate links, guys. So what I recommend, guys, that you want to publish your articles on this website and link it back to a landing page, or use a service like Linktree, because many of these websites, they don't like direct affiliate links to link directly back to your affiliate offers, because if you publish this, it's going to get removed from this website. So you want to link it to a landing page, or use a service like Linktree to link people back to your affiliate offer, guys. So all you're going to do, guys, you're going to click on publish, and your article is going to be live on this website, and you can start getting some part of this free traffic on this website, guys. So that's a simple method, guys. All you have to do is implement this method and take action on this method, and you can start getting some traffic and start making some sales on ClickBank, guys. So take action on this method. And if you found value in this video, guys, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, so that I continue to make new videos on how to make money online and ClickBank earning methods, guys. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn how to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description as well to learn more. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.